It's 7:19. As summer kicks off and warmer weather appears, you can expect to see more motorcycles on the road.
Peoria County Coroner Jamie Harwood joins us live in studio to talk about motorcycle safety. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
Tired,
Good.
Glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Well, Jamie, what are some preventative tips for car drivers to keep motorcyclists safer?
Car drivers need to be aware that right now, specifically with the gas prices the way they are, you're going to be seeing more motorcycles out. 70% of our traffic fatalities with motorcycles occur in intersections. Our biggest intersections in Peoria, War Memorial and University, War Memorial and Knoxville. They can't always depend on the motorcycle seeing them. Specifically, if you put your finger out in front of you and blink your eye at 20 foot, you can't see what's up. So street signs, anything like that can obstruct the vision of a motorcycle coming towards you.
Yeah, and what can motorcyclists do to protect themselves?
Beware of the car. You know, when we look at traffic fatalities as a whole, not just motorcycles, but our fatalities encompass distracted driving, impaired driving, and speeding. So all of those things affect the motorcyclist as well as the car driver. So they just need to be cautious when they're out on their bike. They can't depend on the car always seeing them, specifically in intersections.
I think we should talk too about some sort of protective gear, whether it be helmets. I know last hour we kind of talked about there is some discrepancy to wear one, not to wear one. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I think it's a controversial issue. You know, when we look at the data, 35 to 40% of motorcycle collisions can be saved with the helmet. Now, that's not really a big number, 35 to 40%. So I think right at risk, you know, however you feel protected on your motorcycle, I think the more experienced riders feel more safe, right? So I think it's the rider's choice on what they want to do. But protective clothing, obviously, bright colored clothing. A lot of motorcyclists wear dark colored clothing, so they're harder to see. But they can use their own precautions. You know, I obviously recommend motorcycle safety class prior to getting on the road. And always remember, the driver cannot always see you, and that's probably the big take-home point.
Sure, and some of our roads are notorious for potholes. I mean, how do those affect motorcyclists as opposed to cars?
You know, my dad and my mom rode when my dad was alive. My brother and my brother and sister-in-law, and I have a lot of riders in our family, and my brother has always mentioned, to avoid potholes. Speed is a big factor in that. If you're traveling at a safe speed, you're more apt to be able to see what's in front of you. My brother's also encountered deer on his bike as well. So to be cautious really at the dawn and the dusk of the day, to look out for things like that to protect yourself.
All right, a lot of good tips this morning. Jamie Harwood, thanks so much for being here today.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, all this information is going to be on our website, ciproud.com.